This is Timebucks payment proof. In this video, I'll be taking you through how to cash out and withdraw your funds from Timebucks. You can see I currently have over $12 in my Timebucks wallet. These are current payment methods you can get on Timebucks platform: ATM, Skrill, virtual card, Bitcoin, Litecoin. I have done a quite number of videos of step-by-step process of how to create your account. Also, you can easily make money from this platform. These are other tasks, multiple tasks you can do, and the amount that you will make when you execute this task, doing microtask jobs online with your phone. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video. But first, how do you withdraw your money and cash out from Timebucks? To withdraw your money from Timebucks, you come to Settings. From the Setting menu, you click Payment Method. It is very important for you to know that on Timebucks, you don't need to initiate payment all the time. All you need to do is to set up your payment method once. So what I'm doing in this video is to set up the payment method that I've decided to use for this payment. And as soon as you do that, your account will not be debited immediately until the invoice is generated and payments are treated at the cutoff time. This platform will pay you every Thursday. It is automatic as long as you initiate your payment. And you currently have over $10, which is the minimum cash out limit on this platform. The payment method I'll be demonstrating is how to cash out Timebucks through ATM. So you click ATM. Timebucks also recommended ATM payment method. You also see a video of how to create your ATM account at the end of this video. Ensure you use my link, which is below the description of this very video, to sign up and create your ATM account. If you do that, ATM will be giving you instant $1 immediately you finish creating your account. All you need to do after you must have selected your ATM is to put your ATM email address. You can see I currently have this amount on my ATM account. I already put in my email address. All you need to do is to update your ATM payment by inserting your email and click update. You key your password, you check I'm not a robot, then you click update. A verification link has just been sent to your email address. You can see the link is in my email box. For you to complete the setup of your payment method on Timebucks, you click on the link to confirm the payment method. You can see as soon as I clicked on the link, the payment method is confirmed and the email is updated. Remember, your balance will still remain the same. Look at it, the money is still in my account. The account is not yet debited because what I just did is to set up the payment method. So if you already set up your payment method before, all you need to do is to wait for the payment cutoff day for you to receive your funds. You can see I just received an email from ATM. You received 12.27 USD. So if you click it, ATM payment received, I jump. You received $12.27 from Timebucks. You can see that my wallet has been debited and is at zero balance. This is my ATM account. You can see the balance is now over $30. Payment received. This is the amount received as Timebucks payment. Please do me one big favor. Please subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Thank you so much for doing this for me.